In this video, I will show you how to change YouTube comment translate settings for any language. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can change your YouTube comment translate settings for any language. First, go ahead and open YouTube and open a video. Now on the video, go ahead and head over to the comment section. As you can see in here on the comment section, you'll be able to find a lot of comments in Chinese. I can't understand Chinese. I would want to translate this comment into English. If you click on the three dots at the top right of that comment, you'll be able to find the report and share button. There would be no translate button. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the translate button under the Chinese comments that can be translated. And once you click on that button, that Chinese comment would be translated into English. And that is how you can simply translate comments on YouTube videos. But what if you don't want to translate the comments into English but instead into your own language? So a quick turn around your solution to this is to go ahead and head over into your profile by clicking on your profile icon. Now click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen and head over into the caption section. So in here, go ahead and set the language into your language. So make sure that you set this into your language before you head back and head over into the general section and set the app language into your language to be able to allow the app to translate the comments into your language. Simply select your language from here. Once you restart YouTube, all of the YouTube titles, comments, and other buttons on YouTube would be translated into your language. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.